Oh, let me give a shout out to a YouTube friend of mine. I don't think he's got very many videos, but his name's Kevin Cross. He's building I believe it's a 48 Ford truck on an S10 frame. And he's the guy I bought some engine parts of, and we went up to his house. We hung out in his garage this summer one day. Anyway, he just had a baby. Him and his wife. Well, I should say him and his wife, not like he's gonna have it by himself. Her name's Jessica. She's a nice lady. I like her a lot. I like him a lot too. He's a good fella. He's a young fella, you know, younger than me, but he's got some race car experience and mechanically inclined, and sort of a country boy that knows how to do things in the old style way, like most people are forgetting about these days. Seems like it comes from good stuff. I like him a lot. But anyway, I just thought I'd mention that. I believe he might have a YouTube video out there. I might throw the address in on the beginning of this video so that any of y'all that want to can just send him a message and say, hey, heard about your baby, congratulations. All of that. I'll do that. This stuff's just seam sealer. It's not really for body work, but I use it a lot of times to keep water out of places. If I can get a little bit in there, even if I wipe it off later, and if I can get a little bit to kind of go down in the crack to seal that crack up, that's what I'm shooting for here. Not trying to do body work, just trying to make the water less likely to seep down in there. That's all that's for. Okay, cut that other piece. I don't know how much I got on film before the camera stopped a while ago, but I put seam sealer. Oh, that ain't working, is it? Is it working? Yeah. Put seam sealer on this thing to keep the water out of it. Seam sealer is not Bondo, and it's not meant to be used for Bondo, but I use it a lot of times. And sometimes I use it in places that are not recommended, but it's easy, you know. It's stuff will keep water from leaking through a bad spot. And that's what I wanted to do there. Put a little bit on there just to keep water from leaking through. Let's see how close this looks to that. Oh, that's just about right. So I'm going to do the same thing on this. I'm going to put a little bend in this lower lip so I can kind of bring it up behind that. Bring that around to my little workbench to do that with. My cut didn't come out right here. I could go ahead and put it on there and then come back and cut it with it right on the door there. I might try that. I don't know if y'all can see what I've got going on here or not, but I'm going to shoot a couple screws in it to hold it. And then look it over, and I might come back with the grinder and just trim on it. might be just about a good place to quit. I think I'm gonna leave everything about right there now. And I'll come back to this tomorrow. I think I've done enough for today. I've had a pretty good day, I think.